Hello everyone, welcome to the world of smart investments. In this video, I will give you a specific algorithm and answer the question how to determine the forthcoming collapse in the United States stock market. This is important for two reasons. Firstly, in order to prepare for such event and not lose capital. Secondly, the general decline in the stock market is one of 6 opportunities to buy excellent companies cheaply. I talked about this in video which you can watch by clicking this link. My name is Liubomyr. I am general partner, investor of Equity Capital Partners. If you want to win in investments, you must operate only facts and probabilities. Let's not play oracles and look at real facts. An inverted yield curve is generally considered a precursor of a recession. If you analyze business cycles since 1920, then the reliability of this attribute is 94%. What is this yield curve? I explained it in details in that video. Look at it if you haven't watched it yet. In this figure, the blue-green and violet curves show the inverted form of the yield curves. Starting May 23rd, 2019, the shape of the United States Treasury bonds yield curve again became inverted. In this table, you see United States Treasury bond yield data every day. This is official data from the United States Treasury website. The inverted yield curve shows the delta, the difference between the yield of short-term bonds, 1 to 3 months, and 10 years bonds. In previous business cycles, exceeding the delta threshold of 0.1 almost always led to recession. Another important fact, the Federal Open Market Committee lowered the interest rate by 0.25% on July 31st, 2019. So the committee members recognize the real threat of recession, but so far such action have not affected the yield curve. Paradoxically, the fact of the delta increased even more, on average to 0.25. At the press conference on July 31st, 2019, Jerome Powell said, GDP growth in the second quarter came in close to expectation. Consumption, supported by rising income and high household confidence, is the main engine driving the economy forward. But attention, manufacturing output has declined for 2 consecutive quarters, and business fixed investment fell in the second quarter. Foreign growth has disappointment, particularly in manufacturing and notably in the Euro area and China. How this moment affected the changes in the United States gross domestic product? We can see on this data. After all, numbers are concrete facts. In this situation, the growing trade war between the United States and China absolutely does not add optimism. Therefore, at the time of recording this video on August 12, 2019, this scenario of recession and economic collapse in the United States in the second half of 2020 is so far fully confirmed by the facts. We are serious investors. We don't deal with prophecies and predictions. We analyze and compare the real facts. If this video is valuable for you, ask you subscribe to this channel. Share this video with your friends, your colleagues who are interested in serious investor education with real professional. Please share your competence, your experience. Ask you to share your feedback to this video. See you next video.